Hi there, I'm Sprinkles, your friendly neighborhood watering can. I help keep things growing around here. Today we've got a special group of kids from all over the world. They're about to embark on a gardening adventure. Oh boy, looks like they're not sure where to start. Time for a little Sprinkles magic. And they're off, planting seeds faster than you can say photosynthesis. Whoa, easy there, Tomato Tornado. That's a lot of seeds in one spot. Oh, cultural clash alert. But wait, they're finding common ground in the ground. Holy guacamole, is that a colony of aphids? Time for our heroes to band together. Look at them go! They're working together like peas in a pod, which they might actually be growing. Sun's out, sprouts out. These kids are on fire. Maybe I should cool them down a bit. Is that singing? Looks like our little gardeners have come up with a watering song. The big day has arrived. It's harvest time, folks. Would you look at that? They've grown more than just vegetables. They've grown friendships. And now the best part, tasting the fruits and veggies of their labor. Mamma mia! That's one colorful international salad they've whipped up. From seeds of doubt to a feast of friendship. Now that's what I call organic growth. Remember, kids, like a garden, friendships need care, love, and sometimes a little water. That's where I come in. So next time you meet someone new, think of them as a seed of friendship, ready to grow. Until next time, keep growing and glowing.